Namaste dosto, hello friends. Welcome back to my channel Journey to Learn Hindi with Neha. Today we will learn a very simple topic in Hindi grammar which is vachan. That is singular plural in English. Let's begin. As we have seen the contents of my Hindi grammar section, there will be 20 chapters. We have already completed the 5 first chapters. Today the 6th chapter which is vachan. First, so what is vachan? जिस शब्द के द्वारा किसी व्यक्ति या वस्तु की संख्या बताई जाती हो उसे वचन कहते हैं. What does this mean? Any word, शब्द is word, व्यक्ति is person, वस्तु is thing, and संख्या is number. Any word which tells us about the number of person or object is known as वचन. In other words, we can say संज्ञा सर्वनाम विशेषण के जिस रूप से हमें संख्या का पता चले उसे वचन कहते हैं. संज्ञा के जिस रूप से किसी व्यक्ति वस्तु के एक से अधिक होने का या एक होने का पता चलता है उसे वचन कहते हैं. What does this mean? संज्ञा is noun, सर्वनाम pronoun and विशेषण is adjective. So, a word which represents Sangya, Sarvanam, Visheshan as well as which tells us about the number, Sankhya. That word is known as Vachan. It tells us whether that Vyakti, the person or the thing, Vastu, is either ek means one, or Adhik hone ka, ek se adhik hone ka, that means more than one, then that word is known as Vachan. Let's see some examples. Udaharan, ladka bhagta hai. See over here, a boy is running. Again, another example is ladke bhagte hai. So what is the difference between the two examples? Over here only one boy is running, one boy, ladka bhagta hai, and over here more than one, that means ladke bhagte hai. So these are vachan. Vachan ke prakar, types of vachan. In Hindi we have only two types of vachan. One is ekvachan and the other one is bahuvachan. That means in English singular and plural. एक वचन सिंगुलर संज्ञा के जिस रूप से किसी व्यक्ति वस्तु प्राणी पदार्थ आदि के एक होने का बोध हो या पता चलता है उसे एक वचन कहते हैं. This means that the noun which tells us that the person, thing, creature, living being, padarth is material, adi, etc. are one in unit. That means ek. That means that noun, that sangya is ek vachan. जैसे सिपाही, घोड़ा, बच्चा, कपड़ा, माला, पुस्तक, स्त्री, टोपी, मोर, लड़की, बंदर, बेटी, नदी, कमरा, घड़ी, घर, पर्वत, मैं, वह, यह, रुपया, अध्यापक, केला, चिड़िया, लड़का, गाय, संतरा, गमला, kela, tota, chuha, adi. So all these things are noun. These are either name of person, thing, that is vastu, or any material. So all these represent only one unit. So they are ekvachan. See, let's see some example with pictures. This is ladki, one girl, kursi, one chair, एक सेब, one apple, and एक किताब, one book. So these are all examples of ekvachan. बहुवचन, plural, संज्ञा के जिस रूप से किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु, प्राणी, पदार्थ आदि के एक से अधिक होने का. Now in previous page we saw only एक. Now over here the word is एक से अधिक. That means more than one होने का बोध होता है, उसे पता चलता है, उसे बहुवचन कहते हैं. Now the noun which tells us that the person, place, the creature, the material, these are more than one in unit. So that particular word is known as bahuvachan or which is known as plural in English. Let's see some examples. जैसे लड़के बच्चे तोते, घोड़े घरों पर्वतों नदियों हम वे ये कपड़े पुस्तकें स्त्रियां टोपियां गाड़ियां ठेले नदियां आदि. So these are all examples of bahuvachan. Now in the previous slide we have seen some examples with picture. We will see the same picture examples, but now it is bahuvachan. It was ek ladki, now it is ladkiyan, many girls. Now it is kursiyan, many chairs. Sebe, many apples, and kitabe, that means many books. Next, एक वचन से बहुवचन बनाने के नियम. Now let's see some norms or process how we can make singular to plural, or we can make plural from singular in Hindi. So the first, let me tell you, there are many norms. We are discussing 8 norms. So the first is अकारांत पुल्लिंग शब्दों को एक वचन से बहुवचन बनाने के लिए शब्दों में आ के स्थान पर ए का प्रयोग किया जाता है. What is आकारांत? The words ending with the pulling words. What is pulling now? Friends, pulling is masculine gender in Hindi. We have done this in our previous grammar chapter, ling. You can refer that. If you have missed that, you can refer that. So pulling is masculine gender. So the masculine words ending with akar ant, as well as they are singular in nature, those can be converted to plural words, bahuvachan, by just changing the a to a. Let's see examples. Ekvachan, bahuvachan, and again ekvachan column, bahuvachan column. So ekvachan word, if the pulling word, the masculine word ending with is a, that is ladka. In order to change this to bahuvachan, we will just change the a to a. The matra a will change to a. That is what we will see. Next, kapda, kapde, kamra, kamre, kela, kele. Similarly, ghoda, घोड़े, बेटा, बेटे, मुर्गा, मुर्गे, कौवा, कौवे. Now next norm is आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग शब्दों को एक वचन से बहुवचन बनाने के लिए शब्द में अ के स्थान पर ए का प्रयोग किया जाता है. What is the difference between this and this is? In the previous one, it was pulling shabd, only the masculine words. Now we will discuss about the striling or the feminine words. So the words ending with a, those will be transformed to from singular to plural just by adding, just by making the a end to a end. Examples: ekvachan, bahuvachan. So sadak. Sadak is what? A striling word in Hindi. That can be converted to bahuvachan just by changing the a matra to ek hi matra. Sadak, sadkeं, गाय, गायें, पुस्तक, पुस्तकें, चप्पल, चप्पलें, बात, बातें, रात, रातें, आंख, आंखें, किताब, किताबें. Now let's move to the third norm. आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग शब्दों को एक वचन से बहुवचन बनाने के लिए शब्द में आ के स्थान पर ए का प्रयोग किया जाता है. Now again we will discuss about the striling words, but the words over here are ending not with a like previous norm, it will end with a and it will be changed to a. Let's see the examples. Patrika, a. The striling word with patrika ending a, it will be changed to patrika e. Say this. Likewise, mata, mataएं, kamana, kamnaएं, अध्यापिका, अध्यापिकाएं, कथा, कथाएं, लता, लताएं, आशा, आशाएं, कन्या, कन्याएं. फोर्थ नॉर्म, एक वचन और बहुवचन दोनों में शब्द एक समान है. That means in this both the singular as well as the plural words are same. The same word can be used both for ekvachan and for bahuvachan. Examples: chacha, mama, raja, pita. They do not have the plural or the bahuvachan words as chacha, chachi, or something like that. The words will be same. Examples: Dada, Giri, Neta, Prem. Fifth norm. जब स्त्रीलिंग शब्दों में य के बदले या आए. Now over here again the feminine words, but य will be changed to ya. Example: budhiya. This ya will be simply changed to budhiya. Then it becomes from ekvachan to bahuvachan. Bindiya, bindiya. Gudiya, gudiya. Chuhiya, chuhiya. Shakti, shaktiya. Gaya, gaiya. Dibya, dibbiya. Lutiya, lutiya. Sixth norm, ikarant. Now we are coming from akarant, akarant to ikarant. That means the striling words which have e but will be changed to e or e will be changed to iya. That in order to change from ekvachan to bahuvachan. Example: ladki. It's a feminine word, striling word ending with e. But in order to change it from ekvachan to bahuvachan, it will be just changed from ladki to ladkiyan. So you will see it is the choti e. We will keep the choti e, the smaller e, and ya, the smaller e. Okay, the smaller e from here it is converted from a bigger e to smaller e. So either it is bigger e, the e, or e. When changed to Bahuvachan, it will be smaller e and ya. Next example, topi, topiya, sakhi, sakhiya, niti. See over here it is choti e only. Still, it is again changed to choti e and ya. So, niti, nitiya, thali, thaliya, rani, raniya, kali, kaliya, riti, ritiya. Seventh norm. जब दो जब शब्दों का दो बार प्रयोग हो, द सेम वर्ड इन ऑर्डर टू रिप्रेजेंट एज प्लूरल फॉर्म, और एक वचन से बहुवचन दिखाने के लिए वी जस्ट रिपीट द वर्ड, द सेम वर्ड. लाइक भाई, भाई भाई. घर, घर घर. शहर, शहर शहर. बहन, बहन बहन. गांव, गांव गांव. समय, समय समय. नाउ संज्ञा के पुल्लिंग और स्त्रीलिंग शब्दों में, over here we are talking about both the masculine and the feminine words. So संज्ञा, noun. संज्ञा के स्त्रीलिंग और पुल्लिंग शब्दों में गण, वर्ग, जन, दल, लोग आदि शब्द जोड़कर बहुवचन बनाते हैं. In the noun we will add at the end the words like gan, varg, jan, dal, and then we will convert it from ekvachan to bahuvachan. Let's see the examples. Ekvachan, bahuvachan. Pathak, it's a noun. In order to change it to bahuvachan, we will just add the word gan, pathak gan. Garib, garib, log. Darshak, darshak gan. व्यापारी, व्यापारी गण. अध्यापक, अध्यापक गण. विद्यार्थी, विद्यार्थी गण. मित्र, मित्र वर्ग. गुरु, गुरुजन. So these were some of the norms how to change from ekvachan to bahuvachan. Now, ekvachan और बहुवचन पहचानने के नियम. How do we identify whether this particular word is plural or singular in nature? Some simple प्रोसेस और आइडियाज. आदर के लिए हमेशा बहुवचन का प्रयोग होता है. व्हाट इज आदर? इन ऑर्डर टू गिव रेस्पेक्ट और शो रेस्पेक्ट, वी ऑलवेज यूज्ड द वर्ड बहुवचन विच इज प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ड. एक वचन व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा को ही बहुवचन में प्रयोग कर दिया जाता है. नाउ वी नो व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा. व्हाट इज व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा? द पर्सनल नाउन. ओके, द पर्सनल नाउन. So the singular personal noun is simply transferred to the plural form from ekvachan to bahuvachan. Example: Pita. Pita is singular personal noun. Pitaji aaj aayenge. Now how we have changed it from ekvachan to bahuvachan? Pita is singular. We have simply said Pitaji. We have shown respect. Aaj aayenge. We are not saying Pitaji aaj aayega. Although Pitaji is singular noun, Still, we are not saying Pitaji aaj aayega. It shows disrespect. Therefore, we are converting this aayega to aayenge as if more than one person is coming. But why? We just want to show that we are respecting father, Pita. Pitaji aaj aayenge. Similarly, Shri Ram एक आज्ञाकारी पुत्र थे. Again, Shri Ram is one person. Agyakari is obedient. Putra is son. So when we say that Lord Ram or Shri Ram was was a very obedient son, so how we say that in Hindi? We add the. We do not say Shri Ram Agyakari Putra Tha. No. We are showing respect. We just say Shri Ram Agyakari Putra The. Okay. Similarly, other norms. बढ़प्पन दिखाने के लिए कभी कभी मैं के स्थान पर हम का प्रयोग होता है. मैं के स्थान पर हम. What is बढ़प्पन? Now, in order to show something very superior, some form of superiority, then we just change मैं to हम. मैं is I and hum is we. But in order to say something is of superior nature or to show something of superior nature, we simply change the I to we, the meaning remaining I only. Example, प्रधानमंत्री कल हमसे मिलने आएंगे. Then what is this? हम. I am talking only about मैं. Instead of saying प्रधानमंत्री कल मुझसे मिलने आएंगे, we are saying प्रधानमंत्री कल हमसे मिलने आएंगे. This is just to show the respect to the position of the minister. द्रव्यवाचक, भाववाचक, व्यक्तिवाचक सदैव एक वचन रहते हैं. Now, what is द्रव्यवाचक? द्रव्यवाचक is material noun. What is भाववाचक? भाववाचक is abstract noun. We have seen this in the Sangya chapter. भाववाचक is abstract noun and व्यक्तिवाचक is personal noun. So all these nouns are always एक वचन. These are always singular in nature. वहां पानी गिरा है. What is पानी? पानी is द्रव्यवाचक. So it is वहां पानी गिरा है. Simple in एक वचन. We are not saying that पानी गिरे है etc. Similarly, you can take examples of भाववाचक like वो सब खुश है. We are talking about many people, but still we are saying भाववाचक संज्ञा खुश. We are just saying खुश है. Next example. आंसू, लोग, केश, भाग्य, आयु, आशीर्वाद आदि. समाचार सदैव बहुवचन होते हैं. In previous example, we have seen द्रव्यवाचक, भाववाचक, abstract are always singular. But just the contrast of it, when we say about log, samachar, kesh is here, bhagya, destiny, ayu, age, ashirvad, blessings, these are always bahuvachan in nature. Like, उसके बाल बहुत अच्छे हैं. Now, बाल is kesh, hair. So, अच्छे हैं. We are not saying उसके बाल और उसका बाल अच्छा है. No, we are saying उसके बाल बहुत अच्छे हैं. Then, कुछ सदैव एक वचन रहते हैं. There are some words, irrespective of anything, they will always remain singular. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Now what is this? मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I am feeling very good or very nice today. So मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. अच्छा. संबंध दर्शाने वाले संज्ञा एक वचन और बहुवचन एक समान होते हैं. So now in previous pages we have seen that there are some words which have ekvachan and bahuvachan with the same word, like cha cha, pita pita. Similarly, sambandh. What is sambandh? Relationship. Words which express relationship, those sangya, those nouns are ekvachan and bahuvachan same. They are the same words like nana, nani, chacha, chachi, kaka, kaki, mama, mami, fufa, buwa. So that's it. Dhanyavad dosto. Thank you, friends. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. And also, please give me your feedbacks in my comment section. Don't forget to watch my videos on reading, writing, as well as spoken Hindi also, other than the Hindi grammar playlist in my channel Journey to Learn Hindi with Neha. Namaste.